Hello guys, it's Junior the YouTuber and welcome to a new video, and I'm going to show you guys how to make ringtones. So now here we go to the steps. Alright guys, so we are on the steps. So alright, I'm on my home screen, and when you okay, so first steps, you screen record the music you want on YouTube, or you can use your songs that you downloaded from iTunes. So you can screen record the music of however long you want, and when you end it, you can stop the recording. So second, so you can trim the beginning of the video, the music of where you want to start, and trim the end of where you want to end the music. So we're gonna go to Ringtone Maker, and this is the app that I use to make ringtones. So we're gonna go to Ringtone Maker, and we're gonna let it to load. And so alright, so fourth is so this is where it shows the plus sign. You click it and it will show all the options that you want. And when you screen record stuff, you click import from video, and you click it, and it will show the videos up. So then fifth, when you select your video, you click on the recording. So that's the recording, and you click on make, and then where you can send it to GarageBand. And now we're on GarageBand. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, so when you go like that, you press share, then you press the ringtone, then you can just continue. Then you can name whatever name of ringtone you want. So then it'll say one or more audio, or I don't know if that's... Alright, so it's gonna go, so, and there we go. So, that was it, guys. That's how you make ringtones, and so that was it. That's how you make ringtones, and I will see you guys on the next video. So later, guys. Before I end this video, sorry about that. I don't know if I said this, but when you click on the recording, you just click it, and then you can rename the music, or you can just rename whatever, or you can just use the name of the music. But so I forgot to say that, but I'll see you guys on the next video. So sorry about that.